Is it time to buy or sell eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we will explore eHome Household Service Holdings Limited in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of June 2025, our system has ranked eHome Household Service Holdings Limited as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.5. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has not performed as anticipated, reflecting a loss of 19.56% thus far. This equates to an average loss of 1.50% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 81% and positive 122%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 71%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 62% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and 97 cents. Our latest daily update for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. The stock price of eHome Household Service Holdings Limited increased by 1.19% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025. This rise brought the price up from $2.52 to $2.55. Remarkably, it is now increased for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there may be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 6.91%, with a low of $2.46 and a high of $2.63. While the price has seen some volatility during this period, there has been a loss of 13.85% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 135,000 shares on the last day, resulting in a total of 148,000 shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $378,260. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices could signal divergence, potentially indicating upcoming changes in the market over the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $15.50, while the lowest was 7.49 cents. Currently, the price is 83.55% or $12.95 below the 52-week high, and 100% or $8,092,807.45 below the all-time high recorded on the 17th of May, 2021, when the price soared to $8,092,810. eHome Household Service Holdings Limited, trading under Nasdaq symbol EJH, has recently reported significant developments that could positively impact its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 17th of June, 2025, the company announced it secured contracts for multiple cleaning services and appliance repair projects, valued at over 4 million RMB. This expansion strengthens EJH's market position and highlights a growing demand for their services. Additionally, EJH is trialing artificial intelligence robots in new projects, showcasing its commitment to innovation and operational efficiency. This move aligns with global trends toward automation, potentially enhancing the company's appeal to investors seeking forward-thinking businesses. Earlier, on the 27th of May, the company announced a share consolidation with a ratio of 1:50, which may influence the stock's liquidity and perceived value. Investors might view this positively, anticipating a more stable share price. Furthermore, previous advancements, such as the launch of AI cleaning equipment and the establishment of a resource recycling department, demonstrate EJH's strategic direction in utilizing technology for operational improvement and sustainability. Such innovative steps are likely to instill greater investor confidence and drive long-term growth. As these initiatives unfold, the overall market response could result in increased trading activity and potentially higher valuations for EJH, reflecting the company's proactive approach to emerging trends in the home service sector. Analysts have assigned eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. Today, the stock is showing mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, and it has since declined by 33.77%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as the price increased, creating a divergence that could serve as an early warning, though it may not necessarily be the case. On a positive note, the stock of eHome Household Service Holdings Limited is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating an optimistic outlook. Moreover, a general buy signal exists from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $2.51 and $1.17. Should the stock drop below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 15 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also reflected a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 11 days ago. For additional signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. eHome Household Service Holdings Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $2.52. This level may provide a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is known for its significant daily movements, characterized by high volatility, and with occasional low trading volumes, it is regarded as a very high-risk investment. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 170 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 6.91%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 9.91%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In additional news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited is at $2.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, eHome Household Service Holdings Limited encounters its first support level at $2.52. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.42, representing a decrease of 5.12%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for eHome Household Service Holdings Limited stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems conclude that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of June, we expect eHome Household Service Holdings Limited to open lower by 1/10 of a cent and begin trading at $2.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your price target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.